Let's let it run down the
Let
side.
it run.
Yeah.
A little more Cajun seasoning. You can't ever have too much Cajun seasoning. I'm starving.
I know, that looks so good.
I'm Chef Derek St. Romain. I'm a food fanatic, a family man, and a food truckster, and a proud Ingles Table All-Star. What I love about all the Ingles Table is how so many different personalities and styles can come together like a good old Creole gumbo. And now, that recipe is about to get even better. We're taking the show on the road and visiting some of the best food organizations in the Southeast. This is Ingles Table on Tour.
So today we're living that ranch life, baby. We're just outside of Asheville, North Carolina, but honestly it feels a little more like West Texas. We're in the beautiful Cane Creek Valley meeting Caroline Taylor at the one and only Taylor Ranch. Y'all know Ingles is all about friends, family, and food. Well, Taylor Ranch is a place where all that comes together. And man, I just can't wait to check it out.
Hey, Chef, welcome to Taylor Ranch.
Hey, how are you doing?
Man, good to see you.
Yes, you
welcome.
must be Caroline, right?
I am,
Listen,
yes.
look how beautiful this place is. It's incredible.
It's just God's masterpiece.
I'm telling you, I'm with you.
Isn't it? Well, come on, I'll give you a little tour.
Can you show me around?
I will.
Let's get after it.
Let's go. My husband started this ranch. His name is Bill Taylor. Started about 40 years ago, and it has grown into what you see today. He was born here. His family's from this area.
That's a chunk of land.
It's a chunk of land, but it's our home, and we love
awesome.
it, and it's just so peaceful. So the event center's on the right. It's where we do corporate events and weddings and birthday parties, fundraisers, that kind of thing. Some of the events that we do, I mean, they're very family friendly, so the kids are out here playing soccer and volleyball and, you know, just having a blast. Now listen, have you ever been in a herd of longhorn cattle?
No.
No?
Not at all.
All right. Well, I don't worry about them. I don't think, they've never hurt me, but you do have to be respectful of the horns, right?
I bet.
They're really very domesticated animals. All right, so I'm going to take you back to what we call the kitty pond. My dog, who I got him in the back, his name is Austin, so maybe we can even let him show off his diving skills.
There we go,
okay?
that'd be great.
Yeah, this has
boy.
got to be my favorite place on the whole ranch. Come out here with the kids and, you know, bring our food out here, and we'll have to bring you next time.
I'll say I'm getting a little jealous here, so I'll take you up on that. You know, it reminds me of Ingles. I do a lot of work with Ingles, and I know y'all do too. And it's
Sure do.
family tradition, local, and, you know, community involvement. And so tell me a little bit about what y'all do with that.
Right. Well, you know, I started calling on Ingles years and years ago. I work with them through a group of radio stations that I run here locally, and I really got to know those folks. And I got to tell you, they kind of embody what you want a community business to really be. You know, over the years, you can't help but develop a personal relationship with folks. I just think it's important to give that back, and they don't do that for the sales. They do that because it's the right thing to do.
Thank you for having me out here. This is such a cool place.
It's our pleasure.
What a tour to go on, getting the back scene at Taylor Ranch. If you don't mind, I'm gonna get you to help me do something. I'm gonna cook you a little Cajun meal out here on the Taylor Ranch.
Wow.
You ready?
I'm ready, man.
Let's go get after it.
Let's go do it. All right, come on. Come on, buddy, let's
Come
go.
on, buddy. There we go. All right, so Caroline, we've been a little out of my element all day today, okay? And I think you could tell I was a little nervous around the cows.
I can tell.
So now I'm back in my element, and I know you know your way around the kitchen, so I'm gonna get you to help me out a little bit.
Absolutely.
And all we're gonna do, we're making what we call in Louisiana beef tournedos. That's a little something different up here, but down in Louisiana, it's a fried grit cake, a grilled tenderloin, and a Marsala mushroom sauce over the top. You know, a good steak needs a lot of butter, right? And loads of it.
All right.
Now, how do you like your steaks?
Medium rare.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So if you could sprinkle liberally a lot of that Cajun seasoning I made.
You got it. So this is your like special blend?
That's my little Cajun blend right there.
You gonna
That's
tell
right.
me what's in it?
A lot of cayenne pepper, salt. I like white pepper.
Yep.
A little smoked paprika in
Sure.
there. And
Okay.
obviously garlic.
Gotta have garlic.
Definitely. So we're gonna cook these fillets.
Sure.
Now we're gonna top it with a wild mushroom Marsala cream sauce.
Sounds delicious.
And
Can't wait.
We're just gonna cook these till they are all the way done.
Sure.
It's a medium rare, which is about 135 degrees. And we're
You
just
and I
gonna,
going to share these?
absolutely.
All right.
And we're just gonna keep adding butter to this pan.
We have had such a good time with you today.
It has been a
Chef.
blast.
We've just done it all.
And it's so cool. The scenery out here is just amazing. Now, when I'm cooking steaks, I like to just not mess with them.
You got to get that crust.
That's it. Let them
Right.
get seared on there.
But you get that crust too. I've always heard you got to let it rest. You got to let it rest.
That's
Don't
right.
cut into a steak immediately, or it's going to lose all its
That's
moisture.
right.
Just kind of,
See?
wait on it. I got you. Hey, I live
telling
on
you.
a ranch.
I
I
know,
know
right?
about beef, right?
Can you smell that?
I can smell that. It smells delicious.
It's so cool to have a family business. That's my dream.
Certainly is. You know, I was telling you earlier that our daughter lives right across the hill here, and you saw my son's
That's right.
home, and we got grandbabies running in and out all the time, and you know, I'm cooking country ham, and I swear they can smell it from across the pasture.
You know they can.
Oh yeah, you know they can. Country ham in the South.
I'm starving.
I know. I know, that looks so good. I can't wait.
These are just about done, and all we have to do is plate them up. They're about ready. We're gonna let them rest a little bit. But if you could, stack them on those grit cakes, and I'll get my stuff to make them pretty.
Absolutely, I can do that.
Look how beautiful that is.
Got it. Nice and centered.
Yes,
It's
you
gonna
planned
be
it.
so good.
I had these special cut too.
Well, they're
At
beautiful.
Ingles.
Got to get shot on that. There
Perfect.
we
And
go. All
if
right,
you
you
wanna
need that?
Pour that sauce
Sure.
over the top of those.
Absolutely, I can do that. Let's let it run down the
Let it
side.
run, let it run.
Yeah, beautiful.
Put a couple of these wild mushrooms on here.
Oh, looks so good.
Hit it. A little more Cajun season. You can't ever have too much Cajun seasoning. That looks amazing. Thank you so
That's
much. You
great.
did a great job. Thank you for having me out here at Taylor Ranch. What a wonderful place y'all have.
It's been our pleasure. You can
you.
come back anytime,
I will.
Chef.
I'm going to take you up on that.
Absolutely.
And for you guys at home, if you're planning your next shindig, check out TaylorRanch.com and make sure to explore the rest of this website here at Ingles Table for more great stops on the tour. And now it's time for me to hit the road and see you next time right here on Ingles Table on Tour.